Hello, welcome to the Stat Programming. Today I'm talking about Kaplan-Meier plot. So I'll talk about how to create this kind of plot. So as you can see here, I give you a photo that has rich for information in this plot. As we can see, we have different components for this plot. For example, you have the different treatment or groups. You have the reference group. You have the X label, Y label. You have the figure title. You have reference line. You have the color control. You have the text for the statistics, and you have this kind of at-risk data table outside this main plot. Also, you have p-value. So this kind of Kaplan-Meier is really have a lot of information. Usually, it will cover, I think, at least more than 90% of reporting needs. So, how could we make this one? I think that from my experience, there are two kind of really good resources, two good papers that you can read. I will not go through the detail of the coding, but give you the resource that you can uh, read these two papers and don't need read other papers. These two are really my favorite. The first one is a macro. Um, this one is more straightforward. You can just call the macros for any of these components in the photo. Just call the macro and run and get this plot. Another way is this paper. You Google this one, and I personally like this more because it is a step-by-step showcase using the SGPlot in SAS 9.4. You may know that in SAS 9.4, they are really good embedded functions or statement for this photo creating. Like SGPlot, there are really so many functions that you can control each component of this Kaplan-Meier plot. So you have more flexibility that you can modify your photo. This paper, after you reading this paper, you may have really good or bad understanding. But if you really just want a simple way, you can just call this macro and get the report you want.